Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold versus the US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, then make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold has been very, very strong to the upside for quite some time now. If you watched my video this morning, then you may have been able to catch a nice long opportunity. I mean, that definitely is a small correction, but that is for sure 3 waves down and then a very engulfing move to the upside. So very, very nice entry. This is very obviously still a wave three. So until we get either a break of structure to the downside on the 1 to 4 hour time frame, or we get like a significant lower high, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. I mean, I would expect it to turn at one of these Fibonacci extensor levels, but for now, I would definitely continue to look for longs at least until we get some sort of a reason. Otherwise, on a little bit of a higher time frame of roadmap time frames. Like I said, still a wave three, still trading with the trend, looking for pullback entries to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.